Hi, my name is Min. Dirty Water Vending Machine. Water shortage is a very big problem. Dirty Water Vending Machine is a campaign that raises awareness. Do you think Dirty Water Vending Machine is a good idea? Personally, I think it is a bad idea. I have two reasons for that. First, people don't like to participate. People don't want to see dirty water. It's because dirty water is disgusting and uncomfortable. So it makes people hesitate to pay money. Second, they need a lot of money. It costs money to set up vending machine to prepare everything. Also, we need money to make water and hire employees. Thank you for watching.